Hi, I'm Nick.
And woman!
Today we're doing the orange art rocks. Warren, you want to see what's inside?
I know the birdhouse.
There is a birdhouse. I think we can make a homemade birdhouse out of these.
This is mine!
Yeah, chick.
Yeah, that's like a little tiny chick. There's 2 eggs for 2 people. 1 egg! Poke, 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 poke.
Got some paint.
What? We can only
More
get 2.
eggs. Okay, here you
No,
go.
no, this one is for you.
And
I already have an egg.
Okay. And a brush.
I think you have it.
And another one of these.
Wait, why do I have 2 eggs? Yes, you're supposed to have 2. You're the only one who has 2.
More paintbrushes.
No, actually do it.
And there's feathers.
I like this figures.
And
Well,
here you go.
pizza.
Grab another chick.
Like. No, I got this on yellow.
I am the king of the world. Washy, 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 washy. Really wet.
Red. Painting it the purple red. Painting not a purple red. Painting not red. Red.